Malia, what are we doing?
Going on the boat.
We're going on the boat?
We're going on a boat?
Yay!
Give me 5!
Yay! Say yay!
Malia, the boat is going fast! Hi everyone! And now we're gonna go on a boat. This is gonna be so fun. We're gonna fish, crabs, so many other cool things. So join us for our boat adventure. Let's go! So now the boat is setting off to sea. We're gonna have a tour. This is so exciting! Look, we're moving! These are some birds over there and some other boats.
And boat ride, guys, leaving at 5:30. Oh, you guys, more than navigante, my name is Mike, your captain for the trip.
Wow,
Oh,
nice
yeah.
boat. The boat is going faster and faster and faster! This is such a nice view! We're sailing out to sea! Woohoo! We're gonna have so much fun! Look at all these walks! And that's a paddle boat right over there. If we're lucky, we'll even see some whales. Look at the birds over there. So nice.
Say yay!
I want to go in the boat.
What is that, girls?
Sea lions! So many! They're so cute, right, Malia? Ah! Bye, sea lions! Bye. 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 Bye, sea lions. The real ocean right now. Briella, what do you think we're gonna see? I don't know. We just saw a bunch of seals. Maybe whales, your favorite animal. Yeah. Do you think we'll see mermaids? Yes, yes, yes. I don't think mermaids. Ah! Dolphins! Whoa, it's so rocky here at the real ocean. Ow, and this. I haven't earned my sea legs yet. I keep falling. Whoa! Whoa! This is very bad. I have to earn my sea legs. I think I'm steady. Yay! And we might see some dolphins. I hope we don't see some sharks. But some sharks are very nice. Yeah, and you can swim with them. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, we just got out of the marina. You see those rocks over there? A long time ago, someone came and put all those rocks there. That's why it's called the marina, because no waves go in the marina. Look how beautiful those fish are! Yay! Look, they're jumping to get the food! Wow, it's so cool! I love those spots on the fish! Yeah! There's 2 spots on each fish! Yeah! It's a huge school of fish! Yeah, definitely! Malia, do you want to do it too? Oh, Malia, you dropped it everywhere. Wow, this school of fish is sure hungry. Malia, you're so cute. You're gonna feed all these cute fish? Don't fall in, though. Wow, there is so many fish. They're so beautiful. Yeah. Ooh, I wonder if they swam here from the ocean or they got laid eggs. Look at that fish, you guys, over there. That one has multiple spots. But I wonder why it's not getting any food. Now it is. Yeah. These are sure hungry. Can I try, Malia? At the crabs. They're so cool. There's so many. And right now they're alive. Yeah. But whenever people want them, the boykers come and take them. They put them in bags and then people buy them. They take them to their houses and then they eat them. Look, that one has coral on it. On its shell. And it's so big. I think these are male crabs, not female. These are boars. There's so many. I love looking at these crabs. And look, they have some bubbling water here.